Hey, have you ever needed to pause your game in Unity? Just like this? And then maybe unpause it? In this tutorial, I'm going to go over this. Hey, why did you just pause me? And I can just keep pausing. Anyway, let's dive into the Unity tutorial. That's it. I am not... To get the game to pause, use time.timescale and set to 0. Setting to 0 affects all game functions based on frame rate, although negative values are ignored. If time.timescale is set to 1, the game continues as normal. In this example, when pressing the key code associated with pause, time.timescale is set to 0, and the PauseDialog UI window will appear. If the game is in a pause state, press the key code again and the pause will resume. And that's it. Now that the script is done, let's create a pop-up to appear when the game is in a pause state. Right-click, UI, Panel. Name it PauseDialog. Make the background color any color preference. I prefer black as it helps to bring focus to the pop-up. Make an image within the new panel. Right-click, UI, Image. And then right-click the source image and look up UI. Grab the UI sprite as it helps to round out the corner. And if you prefer text, add some text to say paused. UI, text. Change the text component to paused. Align to the center. And to make the text easier to read, bold. And change font size to 20. And also, we can change the image dimensions to 300 by 100. Now disable the pause dialog. Now attach the pause dialog script to a game object in the scene and create a game object to use. So you can either drag the pause dialog script to a game object, or we can do add component and then find pause dialog script. Then grab the pause dialog game object in your scene, drag and drop into the pause dialog UI variable here on the script. And when you play the scene, hitting escape will show that dialog, and hitting it again will turn it off. So there's the pause dialog, hit escape again, and now it's removed. And what's nice here too is with this pause key code set to a variable, you can change it to anything. So let's say I change the pause key to tab. When I hit tab, it'll pause. When I hit tab again, it'll unpause. But how do I know the game is actually in a pause state? I don't have any animations in the game. So let's create a simple animation. Right-click, 3D object, plane. And we're going to make a script that rotates this at runtime. When you hit pause, it's going to stop it, and unpause is going to continue the rotation. So we're going to create a script called RotateAround. And what this will do is, it'll take the position of the object, it'll rotate it based on this vector, which in this case is this vector right here, the Y vector. So if I change this to say 60, notice the plane changes. So I'm going to be updating that. And this is angle degrees in which we want to rotate by. With the RotateAround script done, add the script to the plane in the scene. Now hit play, and the plane should rotate. So hit the pause key code. Notice the plane stopped rotating, hit it again, and now it'll start rotating again. So that's how you pause the game in Unity. If you're looking for other tutorials, definitely check out the Unity3d tutorial playlist on my YouTube channel. If you want to follow the development of my indie game, head on over to johnbednes.com and look up The Lost Orcs. Just a quick disclaimer, some of the links in the description below are affiliate links, which means I receive a small commission from it if you decide to buy anything. However, it's no additional cost to you. Thanks for watching, and again for your support. That's going to wrap this up. If you have any comments or questions, please post it down below. And if you like this kind of content, subscribe to the channel. And thank you again for your support, and have a good one.